We are running a stunning 4K movie on one side and live Google Maps on the other. And it's completely buttery smooth. This little box just turned my everyday dashboard into a high-end luxury tablet. If your car has wired Android Auto or CarPlay, imagine transforming it into a blazing fast 4K entertainment center with just one single cable. Today, I am taking a completely average factory standard car screen and turning it into a total powerhouse using the Carluex Pro Plus. Now, to guide us on this upgrade journey, we're going to complete my ultimate tech checklist. By the end of this video, we will accomplish 4 massive goals. First, decoding the hardware in the box. Second, the magic one cable setup and full Android universe. Third, mastering the ultimate split screen test. And finally, unlocking the secret to keeping this tech lightning fast for years to come. For those of you new to the channel, I'm Anton, a power engineer, industrial mechanic, and a Red Seal electrician. We cover all kinds of products and topics in an approachable way for the average everyday person. I'm glad you found us. Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. If you have a car that has wired Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, then this is probably something that you need and you didn't even know it yet. Because after all, plugging and unplugging your phone is so 2015. I mean, you can get wireless chargers now, so why not have wireless CarPlay or Android Auto? So let's hit the first item on our checklist, checking out the hardware itself. What are we exactly getting in this tiny little box? Now, when we open this up, you immediately get the Carluex Pro 2.0 device itself, which has a sleek and lightweight design. There's air vents to keep it cool. You also get a high-speed USB data cable and a USB adapter. Looking at the device itself, it has a micro SD card slot, but the real magic is what is invisible. It's hiding inside this plastic shell. This box runs on a Snapdragon 6125 octa-core processor. It packs 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. You can think of the RAM as the physical desk space. The more desk space that you have, the more projects that you can have open at exactly the same time without making a mess. The 128 gigs of storage is your filing cabinet. Plenty of room to download all kinds of movies for offline viewing and or games to run directly off of this device. If you need more room, it does have that micro SD slot on the side to expand up to 512 gigabytes. Knowing that it has this powerful hardware, it does make me wonder what happens if we push it to the absolute limits with the ultimate passenger road trip hack. And then finally, looking at the edge, you're also going to see that there is a SIM card slot. So yes, you can literally give this device its own 4G LTE cellular data plan so that it never has to rely on your phone's hotspot. You'll see exactly how that works once we get this connected up in the car. Moving on to checklist item number 2. The magic setup and the Android 13 universe. To make this work in your car, it needs to have factory wired Android Auto. So many 2017 and up cars have this feature. Newer cars tend to have wired and wireless CarPlay, but this will also work with those as an upgrade, and that's what we're going to test in this video. You just take the provided USB cable, plug it into your car's data port, and plug the other end into the Carluex. In about 18 seconds, the car thinks that a phone has attached itself to the stereo, but instead it injects a massive brain directly into your dashboard. Now, most car adapters do a phone projection. So that means that they just beam a stripped down limited version of your phone to the screen. But this device has a full Android 13 system built in. So it basically is an entirely independent tablet living inside of your car's screen. You log into the Google Play Store and you can download anything. You could download YouTube, you can download Netflix, Hulu Games. It's all there. It's incredibly liberating to just browse the internet or watch a video while sitting in the parking lot waiting for your groceries to show up. And here is a totally unexpected hidden gem. I found while playing around with this, because it operates independently of your phone, you can actually connect a wireless Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to it. And you could literally answer your emails from your steering wheel like a mobile office. Now that covers the setup and the Android universe, so we're reaching our most critical part of the journey. Checklist item number 3, mastering the ultimate split screen test. Running 2 apps at once is amazing, but it also brings up a massive question about the lifespan of this device. Tech moves so fast. How do we know that this isn't going to be completely obsolete and useless in 6 months? The answer lies in the update functionality, which we're going to try out in a minute. But first, having a full Android system is great, but as a driver, I need my maps. I can't sacrifice navigation just so that my passenger can watch a show. So with the Carluex Pro Plus 2.0, you get true split screen multitasking. So I can tap and hold an app and drag it to the side, and then I can open another app and put it on the other side. Now we are running a stunning 4K HDR movie on one side and live Google Maps on the other. It's completely butterly smooth. This little box just turned my everyday dashboard into a high-end luxury tablet. And because the 8-core Snapdragon engine and 8 gigabytes of RAM we talked about during the unboxing are so powerful, there is zero lag. The map updates instantly, while the 4K video plays flawlessly. The hardware handles the heavy lifting without breaking a sweat. Now keep in mind that this is all done within the Android operating system from this box itself. This is not using CarPlay or Android Auto. In our testing, we connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot on our phone, but you can do the same with a dedicated SIM card in the port there, or more likely, use the data from your cell phone because you're paying for that anyway. For all of you guys that are using wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto, this box also converts your car to do wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. Here we are connecting my phone to wireless Android Auto. So if you have Android Auto or CarPlay, you can connect to those wirelessly. So we'll just pull up CarPlay, for example, and it'll say, here's how to connect if you wanted wireless CarPlay. Once you get the wireless connection, this little box is going to plug into your car that does not support wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. This will give you the wired connection that it's always been looking for. So the cable that you normally plug your phone into, you're going to plug this into instead. And then this is just going to sit there out of sight. And then your phone can connect wirelessly to this box to create the wireless connection that you've always wanted. So in this way, it updates your Android Auto and CarPlay device to be like the more newer vehicles. Or you can skip that and then just use this completely by itself without having to connect your phone at all. And this will turn any screen into a device just like you see right here. Now finally, we arrive at our last goal, which is future-proofing. You remember my worry about this device becoming obsolete? Well, Carluex solved that with over-the-air updates. So as long as this box is connected to Wi-Fi using the SIM card or Wi-Fi at home or your cell phone, doesn't matter how it's connected to Wi-Fi, the company will send new software and feature upgrades directly to the device wirelessly. It heals and it improves itself just like magic. And as for future-proofing your road trips, that brings me to my favorite hidden feature on the hardware. Right here is a micro HDMI port. So you can run a cable from the Carluex Pro Plus 2.0 directly into headrest monitors in the back seat, drop-down monitor, whatever. Your kids or adults or whoever's in the back can watch a movie on the screen. Now this is powered entirely by this little box up front. It mirrors whatever is on the front screen. So everyone in the car can enjoy the next K-pop sing-along road trip. We have officially completed our ultimate tech checklist. We decoded the hardware, nailed the setup, and mastered split screen. We also future-proofed our ride, and we had a little K-pop sing-along. If you want to turn your standard car screen into a powerful 4K multitasking tablet, then maybe this is the device that you're looking for. I'm not going to tell you guys to buy it or don't buy it, but if you do think that you like one of these, I will put a link in the description for the one that we got, and then leave a comment. Let me know if you've got a device that you prefer that's better than this, works the same, maybe it's cheaper. I don't know. If you've got one of these, let me know what you guys think as well, because I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.